Hi, welcome to Nosware channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to sharing documents using SharePoint in Office 365. In here, I will using my account to create SharePoint sites, and you can click SharePoint menus in your Office 365 account. Then you can create sites, and then you can choose categories theme site for sharing documents. For example, I will using Nosware documents like this, and then the site's address will look like this. And you can using privacy setting to choose public for anyone in organization can access this site, or you can just select private for only members can access this site. For public in your organization, we choose public in here and we can click next. And if we want, we can add additional members, but in here I just click finish in here. You can see there. In here we can sharing documents. We need just to click documents in here. For example, I want to upload my files material for share in here, and all email in our organization can see in this site. You can see there is shared documents. It's very useful if we want using sharing documents using SharePoints. Also, we can add news or information or announcement. We can just click edit the page. We can edit the title or etc. like this. And then we can click plus sign to add some feature like image or etc also. But in here we need just to introduce and how using SharePoint to share documents. And you can share this URL in your members of your group to see what news from the SharePoint you created. That's all tutorial how to sharing documents using SharePoints in Office 365. Hope this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching and bye bye.